Question number 153. The first Chief Election Commissioner. Answer Sukumar Sen. Question 154. The first Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Answer Justice Hiral J. Kania. Question 155. The first Indian to win Nobel Prize. Answer Rabindranath Tagore. Question 156. The first Indian Judge of the International Court of Justice. Answer Dr. Nagendra Singh. Question number 157. Whose Samadhi Sthal is known as Kishan Ghat? Answer Chaudhary Charan Singh. Question 158. Whose Samadhi Sthal is known as Shakti Sthal? Answer Indira Gandhi. Question 159. Who is popularly known as Deshbandhu? Answer Chittaranjan Das. Question 160. Who is popularly known as Lok Nayak? Answer Jayaprakash Narayan. Question number 161. How many classical languages have been recognized in India's constitution? Answer 6 languages: Tamil, Sanskrit, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Odia. Question 162. How many official languages have been recognized in India's constitution? Answer 22 languages. Question 163. The most popular language in the world? Answer Mandarin Chinese. 164. Kathak is classical dance from the state of? Answer North India. Question 165. Kathakali is classical dance from the state of? Answer Kerala. Question 166. Nat Natin is folk dance from the state of? Answer Bihar. Question 167. Ustad Binda Khan is related to which instrument? Answer Sarangi. Question number 168. The total number of Bihu celebrated in Assam during a year? Answer 3. Bihu is a folk dance in Assam. Question 169. India's first anti-missile submarine is? Answer INS Sindhu Shastro. Question number 170. Indian Military Academy is situated? Answer Dehradun. Question 171. Department of Atomic Energy was established in? Answer 1954. Question number 172. The term gambit is associated with? Answer chess. Question number 173. The FIFA World Cup 2022 will be held in? Answer Qatar. Question 174. Velodrome is related to which sport? Answer cycling. Question 175. National Sport Day celebrated on? Answer 29 August. Question number 176. The Central Leather Research Institute is located at? Answer Chennai. Question 177. First American president to visit India is? Answer Dwight D. Eisenhower. Question 178. Metric system of measurement started in the country? Answer 1956. Question 179. How many rings are there in the Olympic flag? Answer 5. Question number 180. Who was the first person to reach South Pole in Antarctica? Answer Ronald Amundsen. Question 181. Who was the first woman prime minister in the world? Answer Sri Mao Bhandaranaike. Question 182. Ulaanbaatar is capital of which country? Answer Mongolia. Currency Tagrik. Question 183. What is the capital of Kazakhstan? Answer Astana. Currency Tengi. Question 184. Beirut is capital of which country? Answer Lebanon. Currency pound. Question 185. The World Trade Organization was earlier known as? Answer GATT. Question 186. Where is headquarters of European Union located? Answer Brussels. Brussels located Belgium. Question 187. Headquarters of Botanical Survey of India located. Answer Kolkata. Question number 188. World Wildlife Fund was founded. Answer 1961. Question number 189. The non-permanent member of the Security Council are elected for. Answer 2 years. Question number 190. Minority right is observed in India on. Answer 18 December. Question number 191. Non-resident Indians NRI is marked on. Answer January 9. Question number 192. March 8 is observed as. Answer International Women's Day. Question 193. The World Day to combat desertification is observed. Answer 17 June. Question number 194. Dandiya is popular dance of. Answer Gujarat. Question 195. Doordarshan was founded in which year? Answer 1959. Question number 196. Shiv Kumar Sharma is famous for playing. Answer Santur. Question 197. Karadi is folk dance of. Answer Puducherry. Question 198. In which state is the Kangen Ghati National Park located? Answer Chhattisgarh. Question 199. In which state the Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary located? Answer Haryana. Question number 200. Jim Corbett National Park is situated. Answer Uttarakhand. Question 201. Tram smasher is associated with which sport? Answer volleyball. Question number 202. The tram bully is associated with which sport? Answer hockey. Question number 203. Ijara Cup is associated with which sport? Answer polo.